Hi there, my name is Daud and I'm the CEO of Eazi-Business. In this short video, I'm going to give you an overview of the mobile app development platform that you would have access to through your FullPivot business. The FullPivot business opportunity includes 5 high-demand solutions that you can deliver to businesses, all without any coding skills. Firstly, you can deliver cutting-edge, powerful mobile apps to help businesses increase sales and customer loyalty. You can combine this offering with lightning-fast websites that work on all devices. And with the huge growth of online shopping, you can provide e-commerce and food ordering services to help businesses pivot their sales to online. You can also help them rank higher on Google search results with our zero-code platform. And finally, you can help local businesses clarify their brand message with our 6-part business communication framework and online training course. These are the 5 core products you will have access to and you will be able to offer to local businesses with FullPivot. However, in this session, I'm going to cover mobile apps exclusively. If you want to get an overview of this business opportunity in all of our 5 products, you can watch our FullPivot webinar on YouTube. So let's just have a quick look at the mobile app landscape. There were about 3.6 billion smartphone users in 2016. And by 2026, this is forecast to reach 7.5 billion users worldwide. This is over 100% increase over 10 years, which is really extraordinary. And by 2026, 75% of users will be able to access the internet via their smartphones. However, from our research, less than 15% of businesses have a mobile strategy. And with the acceleration of mobile adoption, you can see why there is a huge opportunity here to help local businesses develop their own mobile app. So why have less than 15% of businesses adopted a mobile strategy? Well, the first point is time. Most business owners feel overwhelmed and under-resourced with their marketing as they're caught up in their day-to-day business activities. They also lack the expertise. With so many advertising channels out there, such as social media, Google Ads, SEO, and more, most businesses do not have the expertise or knowledge to implement successful mobile strategies. And the final point is perceived costs. The majority of businesses think they need deep pockets and large budgets to offer smart solutions like the big players. Okay, let's go straight over to our mobile app platform and see our technology in action. As you can see, I'm at the FullPivot login page for our mobile app building platform. And I'll just log in here. What I'm showing you here is exactly the same access you would have, but you would only be able to see the apps that you're working on. So what I'm going to do is scroll down and log into an app we have already built. So in this case, we're going to log into the Easy Apps app. Now, within the dashboard, you can see here on the right-hand side that we've got a previewer that allows you to preview the app as you're going through the build process. You can see up at the top and on the left-hand side, we have the various different sections that you can navigate to whilst you're going through your build process. If you're starting to build an app from scratch, you can choose one of our pre-made templates. And we've got quite a lot of templates here for barbershops, beauty centers, cleaning services, clubs, flower shops, festivals, florists, and so on and so forth. But of course, in this case, because we've already got an app that we're working on, we'll stick with the template we've got. You can also see when I hit this plus button that we've got a very specific navigation style within this app. Actually, you can choose from a whole variety of different navigation styles. And really the choice here is endless. You can have ones with buttons, large buttons. You can have ones with buttons on the left-hand side. You can have radial ones where they actually just pop out. You can have it where you've got cover images. Really, it very much depends on what your customer wants. And with this particular app that we're working on, you can see here that I'm using this particular layout. So let me just close this off. So now going back into the app, let me show you some of the features and how easily it is to build and edit these features. Okay, now that I'm in the features section, within the app, if I click the plus button, I'm going to go into a couple of the business features. And in this case, that's within this folder, business features. And the first thing I'm going to show you is calendar feature. So this is great for promoting events. And you can see here, we've just got some demo events within the app itself. If we click on one of them, it opens up the event. It shows the starting date, starting time. It shows where the location is, and there's a bit of a description as well. To create an event like this is super easy. You just click on the feature itself. You then manage the content and you click edit. And you can see here that we've got the 3 events here. So I won't create a new event, but what I will do is edit an existing event. So you can see focus on business. So that's this event here. And you can now see where I can update the title, the subtitle, the description, and we can even put the beginning date. And if we scroll down, we can also put the end date, starting time, end time, location, etc. So it's a really, really easy process. And this is about as complicated as it gets. But if I go back to the app and if we go into, let's have a look at the Appointments Pro feature. And if I go onto Appointments Pro here up at the top, this is a great feature for any business if they want to allow bookings or reservations directly through the app itself. Now it's broken down in a couple of ways. First of all, you have your providers. So let's say, for example, if this was a hair salon, they could have different stylists display here. You can then have locations. If they've got just one location, that's fine. If they've got multiple locations, they can all be displayed here. And then the services are displayed at the bottom. So if I go into Richard Downman as an example, so as a user of the app, you do have to log in. And I'll click on him again. I can go through. I can see a little bit about the person who's offering this service. I can see all the available services and I can choose one. So let's say if we choose appointment setting, there's a calendar here. This is particularly good for restaurants or hair salons or nail bars, any type of business that really wants to offer some kind of reservation service. If I click on, say, the 15th of December, I can choose a time. I can then go through this entire process. It tells me where I want this to happen, what the service is, who's the provider, my particular information, and the service time. And then I can hit continue and I can then complete that appointment. So it's a really powerful service. The business owner gets a push notification to let them know that the booking has been made. The customer gets an email notification to confirm the booking. And you can even go to the dashboard. Once in the dashboard, on the left-hand side, this is where we can manage the different locations. We can add different booking categories. You can add all of the services. So it's a really, really simple and intuitive platform. All you're doing is filling out the blanks. So let's go back to the app. So going back to the demonstration here, we've got a lot of monetization features here as well. So for example, we've got some fabulous commerce features where you can offer commerce solutions to any type of business. So this could be a restaurant, it could be an online store where they're wanting to sell their products and items through the mobile app. And in this case, you can see it's being configured for a restaurant. And you can see we've got some nice images up at the top. There are some options here. You can see it's just a really nice, intuitive way to, we need to choose a side as well. So let's click on that. And then you can add to cart, and then you can go right the way through to checkout. So in this instance, if I go back to the features, I can go into the monetization settings. And in this case, we are looking at the commerce feature. You can manage all of the orders directly through here as well. You can manage the reviews, you can manage the stores. So it's actually a really simple process. It looks fabulous. And of course, there are different layouts that you can choose from. So if I go back to the app itself, we've even got loyalty programs that you can offer to any type of business. In this case, we've done it for a coffee shop as an example, where people can be rewarded for, in this case, collect 3 points and receive a free coffee, collect 6 points and receive a free muffin, or collect 9 points and receive a free meal. All of this is editable and really, really simple to manage. So the platform itself is not difficult to use, and we train you on how to build apps using our platform. Of course, once you've been through the training, we provide you with the mentoring, we give you unlimited online support, email support, and also support by phone. And once you start using the platform, it's actually quite easy to manipulate. It's quite easy to then leverage all of the various different features we've got. And it's just a really nice, intuitive platform. This is like a Gumtree type service that you can offer to a business who wants to allow their customers to sell their items through the app. And you can see it's just really simple and really, really intuitive. So hopefully this gives you just a little bit of an overview of the technology itself. The options here are really endless with the types of apps that you can build. So how can you help businesses by offering branded mobile apps? With our drag and drop platform, you don't need any technical experience to build highly functional and powerful apps. We have over 50 revenue generating features, and we're constantly improving and adding new features. You can build an app for businesses really fast, and to put this into context, you could build an app in a few hours depending on what the business requires. Of course, we can build the apps for you if you prefer focusing on sales. And these apps can be made available on the app stores and also the web with our progressive web app technology. So this brings us on to the types of businesses you can target. A mobile app can help almost any kind of business, especially if they get a lot of traffic. This includes restaurants, health spas, solicitors, sports clubs, and many, many more industry verticals. Our partners have built apps for almost every type of business. Here you can see an app for a real estate business, a bar, an auto specialist, and you'll notice that every app is custom branded to the business. Our platform allows you to target almost any business vertical. The first app that you see here is for a health and beauty business, a dental studio, and a community dance app. All these apps can be found on the app stores. And just a few more examples with a football club, optometrist, and even a financial app. You can offer fabulous branded apps to local businesses. And once the app has been approved by the client, we take care of the entire publishing process to get the app into the app stores. So with your FullPivot business opportunity, there are 5 products included. Today was just an overview of our mobile app products. We provide you with 4 days of live training. You also have access to one-to-one mentoring with an experienced FullPivot partner. You have access to our online academy where we've got over £15,000 worth of courses. We provide you with technical support, so that's through email, it's through telephone, and it's also through live chat. We also hold regular live partner webinars that you can attend. And you have a whole suite of marketing tools that we provide to you as part of your business. So this includes websites, brochures, business cards, presentations, proposals, and much more. And of course, you can access our team of specialists at any time. So hopefully this has given you a quick overview of our mobile app technology. Of course, like I mentioned, this is just one part of the 5 products that you can offer. You can access other videos on YouTube to discover more about the other various products that are bundled up with the FullPivot business. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our business development team. Thanks again.